Hello everybody, this is Jacob from Hilbert Watchmaking, and today we are going to look at this Rolex. This is stainless steel model and it is not in very good condition. Scratches and bruises everywhere. Fortunately, we are going to take care of this a little bit later in the video and polish to its original beauty. Let's go check basic functions. This is total stopper, and even after manual winding it's not going to run. Looks like broken mainspring. Fortunately, keyless works fully functional. I'm taking extra care not to scratch anything during this disassembly. Next step, case off and further disassembly of its components before polish. For a crown tube, I have to use specially shaped key. Now, let's get back to movement and take off hands and dial. Movements from Rolex are so beautiful and it's such a pleasure to work on them. You can see me here using brass tweezers not to scratch surface of mainplate, while disassembly of date mechanism. After flipping the movement over, disassembly continues with bridges and wheels. Everything is in wonderful condition. These are rigid, strong movements. Let's flip movement one more time and disassemble keyless works, which are last components. The watch wouldn't run, and here is the issue. Broken mainspring. Fortunately, I have replacement. After cleaning, I unload baskets of parts and check how beautifully clean these parts are. I like to begin with shock-resistant device for balance on plate. These could be very tedious task. Brand new mainspring is installed, and of course, all other components. I want to apologize for sharpness problems in this video. Video making is a very new hobby of mine, and I'm only learning my ways. Often I bump into problems with light and limiting view with my head. I hope you will forgive me. After all, we are all only human. To put the balance after service is always such an exciting moment. This one kicks in wonderfully, and everything is very alive. Last group of components is automatic module, which provides both sides winding action from oscillating weight. Finally, the polishing job. We will make this watch nice and shiny, so they keep time and they look pretty. Polishing is such an important task. It doesn't matter how well you will repair the movement and how accurate it is. Customer always appreciates the most if the watch is also pretty. After all, that's their major function as an accessory. The bezel I fixate for polishing in lathe machine. This way I will keep surface as flat as possible. I just use handheld sandpaper sticks. After pre-polish, the surface is still kind of milky and shiny at the same time. Moving on to bracelet. It is necessary to keep original pattern, so polishing itself will not do. After polishing all surfaces, next step is to apply protective tape on surfaces to be left polished, and then run the special brushing disc on those that need linear brushed finish. Side by side, the difference starts to be significant. After removal of tape, the contrast makes the whole beauty. To finally finish this project, I need to put everything back together. Movement, waterproof case, bracelet and clasp. and look at the final result. The reflection is quite sharp. Matte and polished surfaces restored. Date function alignment with midnight is accurate. Thank you very much for watching another episode on my channel. Hope you enjoyed it well, and see you next time on Hilbert Watchmaking with Jacob.